That's the one I'm boarding up, hopefully. That door there, them two windows there, the fire doors there. It's a bad one, this is. That's got to have access doors so the forklifts can come in and out. Oh, you're right, Ben, this is the one I was on about, mate. It's just down the road from you, mate. I'm sure you're Birmingham, aren't you? This is Coleshill. Oh, so here's today's challenge. They're going to try and open again on Monday morning. They've got to be able to fit these vans through the opening. So I've got to try and make a door that they can open and close there. Here we go. And guys, so as you can see, they're going to need access to get their vans in and out. So I'm making French doors that open all the way out. So until their shutters are built, they can still get the vans and the forklifts in and out. Down, guys, and there you have it. A set of swingers. I've just got to put the boarding on out. I should really have put the boarding on first and then screwed them together. So I think they're going to be a nightmare, but we'll soon see. There we go, guys, not bad on my own. And them doors are opening out, they're French doors, I'll show you now. Big old French doors, man. If it weren't for them wheels, I reckon they'd fall. A lot of graft for a Saturday afternoon. 3 metres by 4 metres. There you have it, guys. The doors have been put a bar across and boarded from outside. That one's been boarded up there, and you can see them big doors that were put on. Big old doors there. Fucking lot of mess, man. A lot of mess. Crazy.